to learn I'm always wrong. All the angels with me. I'm learning from something I'm becoming unstoppable. Yo, what is going on YouTube? Here comes the big final mission, the big deciding factor. I hope you all have been enjoying the content. I hope you guys have loved my videos. And I hope you guys have dropped likes and subscribes and comments. You know, I'm so freaking happy I finally got to do Phantom Liberty on the channel. Yeah. Let's get into the big ending here. Alright, let's go.
No turning back now.
No, but we're in this together.
I am ready. Linked. Connection quality.
1,000th of the decimal. It'll have to do.
Then in we go.
Actuating the mainframe.
Had to suspect something. Just hasn't caught on yet.
Soon it won't matter.
So I see. It's responding.
Stay sharp. Almost open for input. Big thank you. Really. Thank you for being here. Just a little more. Okay, your turn. It's ready for the access codes.
I'm with you, Sophie.
Look toward Alex. Wait for Kurt to go down.
Everything all right? You look like shit.
Nice to hear. Running 3 things at once here. You do one. Keep your eyes on Kurt.
Can't do. What then?
We run. Nearly have the Matrix. Breaching stadium defenses now. It's a lot. Had to reach past the black wall.
Wait, you say like the whole stadium?
Cutting off the lab now. Carving a path out of the press. Defense systems are nearly primed to turn on Kurt's forces. Let Alex know.
Okay.
It's done. Stadium defenses hostile and online.
All right. So me, you okay? What's wrong?
The Matrix, the stadium, the black wall. Just lost control for a sec. But
Alright, can we take off this outfit? Let's get our very awesome Johnny Silverhand looking outfit. Oh, I gotta get my guns. That's right. I gotta get my guns. Since with this controller I can't use my projectile launcher right now, I guess we'll just stick with the imprint for now, because I can't really do much else.
yeah, I'm okay now. We need to bolt.
Trust me, I get that.
Dicey. Can help. Pack stuff around you. Just can't push myself. Mainframe breach. Black wall hit me hard.
Until I get my weapons, I might as well use what the game has given me so far, so... Where are my weapons at? Hang in there, Snowman. Where are my weapons? Okay, hold on. Escape the area. I need something stronger. Give me this. There we go. Where are my weapons at? Yes, sir. Yes, sir. Let's get my weapons going. Number 1, number 2, and save the best for last. 3.
Okay, opening the gate.
Try to hack it.
head actually kind of hurts right now.
Done. Stick with the door. Rich. Yeah, please.
Heck, the main thing took a lot out of you.
The mainframe, the stadium. They're not more than I can share.
Christmas tree. We're gonna be down what? At least a couple of days? Fuck, dude. Try a week.
What the? Where the fuck is my shoes? Gosh dang it. Put my dang shoes back on, game. Like, come on, man.
What's this?
Oh, okay. Jump in.
Think I see what the hell are house for? Blast? Gotta be them.
Fuck. Fucking ankle.
Hansen's dogs. Come on, Sumi. Any final stretch.
Toward the gate. Carl will be there. Thank you, V.
Gonna be in trouble for us.
There they are. Arrested.
That cool? It's only lucky aliens here for them. That's a dumbass. Take it. Sure you're gonna make it out of this?
If I don't, you'll hear about it on the news.
So we did it. Got away from Hansen and the FIA.
Not quite, V. This is the first step. I won't rest easy until I'm out of NC airspace.
Seriously? Gonna hop in another plane after how you wound up here?
You'll see.
Hope you got a plan for what comes next.
We need to split up. Try to throw off the agency's pursuit strategy. Meanwhile, I'll confirm my path out of Night City is clear. Once I do, I'll be in touch.
Where are we gonna meet? When?
I'll send you the coordinates. Just wait for my sig. And don't get caught.
Hey, likewise.
And V, thanks.
Okay. I don't think I got a chance to kill Kurt Hansen in that one either. So one thing I am gonna do is go to a teleporter. Nearest one is right there, so that's where we're gonna go. I wonder what happens after I return to the stadium where we were just at. Does that make us get caught, or no? Now it's gonna make me curious. Oh no, it's just back to normal. Okay. Cool. Good to know. Alright.
Is that on purpose?
Maybe, bitch. Alright, so here's some iconics, okay. The wild dog. Yeah, these are the iconics of what's his name? Hansen's Murphy's Law. And then there's this. This looks really cool. I'm not sure, I don't remember if I used this one. It's a power sniper rifle, so I'm definitely not gonna use it. But I am gonna grab it and put it in my storage. Oh no! A flat broke again. Gosh damn it. Well, dang it. Alright, I'm gonna have to go do some other shit in the meantime then. I'm about to go do some police scanning shit. I mean, police, whatever they call those, the police things. Alright. So I think that's what I'll do for the rest of this video. I will do some police killing. Not killing the police fucking, I don't know what they call them. The police mission things. I need to make up the money to get those other two iconics out of there, because they're expensive. Oh crap, one of them is... Oh, okay, so we need to go over there. Never mind, hold on. We'll do a couple of these and call it a video, and then the very last Phantom Liberty video will be in the next one, and then after that we're gonna go and complete the final mission, which will be, you know, one of our endings. Yeah, so let's get a couple of these done here. What the freak? Okay, there we go. Alright, moving on to the next one, because there wasn't really much loot there. Go ahead and put this gun dividedly stand away, and we'll find another gun. There's actually a different gun I want to actually bring in anyway. So I could either go Widowmaker, which is pretty good, Achilles is pretty good, but I think I'm gonna go with something a little more Arasaka type smart machine gun. They both have a different ammo count, so they should be completely different here. Oh no, they're both at 612. Gosh dang it. Okay, never mind. Alright. Come on. Let's go ahead and put it back in there. That's fine. That is completely fine. We got other guns we could use here. We could use Problem Solver. We could use that. Raiju, which is one of the best pistols in the game. But I think we might go with this. Because I've been using the Raiju a lot. This pistol is also really good too, so I'm going to bring in the smart pistol. Just go full on smart type.
Got numerous reports coming in about malfunctions appearing in Mr. Studs. And yeah, it's a hot melted jelly kind of malfunction. So unless, for whatever reason, you're into scorched sausage, I'd hold off on upgrading your kit till they iron out the kinks. Alright, catch y'all again right after this.
moving on to another one. Where's the next closest one? Well, closest... I guess I can complete the ones down here next. Okay, so Hansen did die. Alright, we're gonna do one more. And it's over by a teleporter, so that's perfect. Don't forget to hit that like and subscribe, folks, if you guys are all enjoying the Cyberpunk content. Oh. Ah, this one. I'm gonna what? Couldn't hear you. Who else wants to smoke? What the fuck? Yeah, alright. Hope y'all enjoyed this video. Don't forget to hit that like and subscribe. I'll see y'all in the next one. Peace!